Aboe el Haddad started building before he turned 18. An industrial engineering degree, years of entrepreneurship, and an international trading company across Europe and the Middle East. That background gives him a ground-level understanding of how goods move, where operations break down, and exactly what it costs when they do.
My name is Aboubakr and I'm a managing partner for Valenta in the Netherlands. So a little bit about my background. I've been an entrepreneur for the last few years. I've worked in sales, operations, international trading, where I would always focus on business improvements and efficiency.
Across the Netherlands, manufacturers, logistics operators, and wholesale distributors are interested in AI and automation. They just do not know where to start.
In the Dutch market, we see that a lot of companies are interested in AI and automation, but they don't always know where to start. The biggest opportunities are in reducing manual work, improving productivity, and helping businesses do more with the resources they already have. The technology is ready. Businesses are becoming more open to AI, and many organizations are facing labor shortages and rising costs. So my goal is to help mid-sized, small companies to become more efficient, competitive throughout AI automation. I'm excited about delivering practical solutions that create real value and measurable business outcomes.
Aboe was not looking for just a business model. He was looking for the right combination of reach, delivery capability, and proven methodology.
So Valenta stood out because it combines AI, automation, and business consulting in a very practical way. I was looking for more than just a technology business. I wanted to help companies achieve real operational improvements. The global Valenta network is a huge advantage. Having access to experienced partners all over the globe can bring a wide range of expertise and the best practices for every client.
If your business is ready to move past the conversation and start seeing results, connect with Aboubakr el Haddad, Valenta Managing Partner in Rotterdam. Visit valenta.io to learn more.